na, tol. Haba na ng buhok mo.
What would you like to change about yourself right now?
I don't know. I don't feel like I want to change anything right now, to be honest. I'm happy with who I am. Yung buhok ko, kaya lang ayaw ni Belle. Gusto ko kasing gawing... Hindi, wag na. Surprise na lang kung nangyari.
Ang nasa isipan ko, may napapangiti ako. Di ko inasaray ka darating.
Happy and you spend it with your loved ones, with your family. And I hope 2023 is a good year for you, a better year than 2022. And and your house too, since I know you're also building. Sana makakuha ka pa ng maraming properties. Yeah.